Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. In today's video, we're gonna unbox OnePlus 8 Pro on Instagram. Let's do the unboxing. Guys, first tap to place the box and then tap again to open the box, and the box opens up with the layers like a case, a OnePlus 8 Pro, a charging cable and a warp charger. Tap on each item to have a described view of the product. Guys, this type of unboxing will be helpful if you have a plan of buying a OnePlus 8 Pro in future. Guys, this year's flagship comes with the 3 different colors, a black, a sky blue and a navy blue. Guys, if you have a plan of buying a new phone or just wanna feel the experience what I'm done in this video, don't worry, I'll give the link in the description below. If you click that, it will redirect to the Instagram page and you can feel the experience on Instagram on your own. So that's all for today's video guys. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos and hit the bell icon and share it to your friends who like the video. Thanks for watching and peace out.